This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Max Herrera. Looking for a low-maintenance townhome near UT campus, downtown Knoxville and UT Hospital? This is it. Walk into this beautifully maintained and upgraded 3-bed/2.5-bath townhome to the dining room/flex space with board and batten accent wall. Continue through the bright, open kitchen with all stainless steel appliances and breakfast bar to the main living area with gas fireplace, board and batten accent wall, and tons of natural light. Upstairs you will find the primary bedroom with a large walk-in closet and stunning primary bathroom with soaking tub and custom tile shower. 2 additional spacious bedrooms, full bathroom, and laundry room round out the second floor. Venture out the back door to a large deck with stairs down to a private fire pit area next to a rambling creek. This townhome also has a garage on the main level and is located in a cul-de-sac within the sought-after Woodson Trail Subdivision. HOA dues currently include grounds maintenance and neighborhood security. For more information, review the details below or contact Max Herrera at 865-223-3548.